Hello there. How's it going here? I hope you're doing well. We're back with a new YouTube video where we're going to open this package. We're going to open this little package that comes to me directly from PROZIS. But before that, I hope you're doing well. I hope your summer is going well. I hope you're feeling good. It's hot here, but like in a lot of places right now. And above all, if you're new here, don't hesitate to join the channel by subscribing. And welcome to this new video. So today we're not going to do a haul video like we usually do. This is a commercial collaboration video which is not paid with PROZIS, a brand I love. Honestly, it's a brand I've been collaborating with for over 4 years now. I'm just a huge fan, honestly. There are some products I'm less enthusiastic about, but I let them know. They send me batches of products, I test them, and I give them my feedback and so on. But otherwise, in terms of quality, consistency and price, it's a brand that's really done things right. By the way, it's 30 to 50% cheaper than all the other brands you find in Europe. So let's open it up right away and see what's inside. And if I'm not mistaken, there should be some clothes for us to try on. A few summer shorts. Here we go. Obviously, since this is a commercial collaboration, you'll find in the video description all the links to the products I'm going to show you today. My promo code, which is Carofil10, is valid all year round and can also be combined with other ongoing offers on the site. And above all, if you also know the brand, feel free to share your feedback in the comments. I'm really curious to know what you think, what your experience with the brand has been. That's something that matters a lot to me. There you go. Ah, great, I have. This is going to go in the fridge, but it's a chocolate cake. There's 95% less sugar in this little chocolate cake. I love chocolate. This one is going in the fridge before I eat it because actually it's almost time to eat and I'm already hungry. Here there's another little snack that I love, which I've already told you about, so you'll see I'm not lying and that I'm consistent in what I say. The little double protein puny cookies. It's the same thing. This is a bit like Baiocchi, if you know the reference, but bigger and more indulgent. Here, I've restocked my essential amino acids for my workouts. While I'm working out, it gives me the essential amino acids so my body can keep up its energy. During my workout, this one is peach mango flavored. It's really good. As for food, I don't know about you, but I love cooking. And sometimes when you just need a light drizzle of olive oil, every time you grab the bottle, almost the whole thing pours out onto whatever you're making. A little olive oil spray is actually pretty handy. The washing machine is finishing up and beeping. I don't know if you heard it. Anyway, that's just a little gem. The olive oil sprays. They also have garlic flavored ones. Here I got the traditional extra virgin olive oil, which is really good. Some workout clothes. I'm going to be thrilled and we'll try all of this together. I really like their little packaging. It looks like a Christmas present, you know. As if my closet wasn't already full enough of workout clothes. So cool, these are the socks. I'm a huge fan of the socks PROZIS offers on their website. Same thing, I'll put the link in the description for you. Wow. These are more like winter socks though, because they're cushioned socks. It looks like the sock was originally pink, then water got on it and kind of washed off the paint. You get what I mean? They're so pretty, but above all they have a texture. They're super comfortable, cushioned. This is perfect. Even in winter, you know, when you're at home and your feet are cold, these are great. Honestly, they can really do the job. Here, we've got a pair of shorts. Careful. These are very light blue, comfortable shorts. Nice. These are short shorts. Okay. Perfect. With what I really love on the back, the little elastic here that shapes the glutes. The PROZIS brand is embroidered here. It's the same as always, these are shorts without seams. So you wear them but you don't feel them. It's wonderful. Really, I love it. Looking forward to trying it. We'll try that right after. We open them all and then we'll try them all at once. Here there are 3. Yes, that's in their new collection. I took a pair of black shorts. Ta-dam! It's rare for those who know me. You know it's rare that I take dark colors like that. But once a month it still allows me to keep going to the gym and not be afraid. Ladies, if you know what I'm talking about. This is the little pair of shorts to wear once a month. The difference with this one compared to the other is that the fabric is more textured. It kind of looks like a honeycomb, like a little beehive. That's it. Very nice. There's also the elastic to shape the butt in the back. I'll show you all of that once it's worn. Next, wow, it just keeps going. Oh wow. And here we still have 3 more. So good. So good. So these are their new sports bras, which are just gorgeous. I can't wait to try it on. So here we have a light aqua green, a really pretty color. I should have the shorts that are supposed to go with it. Beautiful. Is this a size M? It's a size M. It looks a little small to me, but we'll see. Once you try it on, it's very stretchy and fits well. Awesome. This little sports bra is super punchy and flashy. I love it. I love it. All right, let's go. Time to try all this on. Okay, let's stand up. Honestly, I am just such a fan of this set. No, but look at this. It's just gorgeous. Seriously, let me get a little closer so you can see it a bit better. No, but honestly, it's incredible. I'm totally obsessed. It's super comfortable. The M that looks small to me is actually the perfect size, really. I promise you, this is top of the top. I'm so happy. Look at these little shorts. So, they don't have the scrunch to shape the butt in the back, but that's not a big deal. You don't always need your butt shaped. That's just a detail. It's aesthetics, I would say. But anyway, this set is absolutely amazing. It's approved. Tell me in the comments what you think. Let's move on to the next one. No, but look at this set. It's just so stunning. So the sports bra, I've totally fallen in love with it. But honestly, I'm in love with all their collections. So my opinion isn't exactly objective, I have to admit, because I really love everything they make. No, but just look at this. Look at this. Let me get a little closer to you. There, like this. Look at this absolutely gorgeous coral color. Look at this absolutely incredible back. It's just so pretty. And now the shorts. Do you see the difference with the green shorts? You can see that these have little honeycomb patterns here. This is not the same shorts model. Then here, for once, there's a little elastic band that shapes the fululu a bit more. There you go, I'm so happy. Let's try on the shorts now. Do I even need to tell you that I'm also in love with these shorts? As for the sports bra, I already had it. It's from an older collection, but they might still have some left. These sports bras from PROZIS are incredibly comfortable, truly a joy to wear. And wow, honestly, it feels like a second skin. It's just insane. Look at this. Look at this beautiful color. So pretty and not see-through at all. You see, I feel like it's not very see-through. So that's great. The sports bra is a bit more transparent though. But with the shorts, we've really got something pretty good. Same thing, with the elastic to shape the booty. There you go, we're looking good. I am, there you go, absolutely smitten and delighted with these shorts. I'm really happy with the choices I made to refresh my shorts collection a bit. There's a good chance I'll create a Vinted account to sell some shorts I no longer wear, that I haven't worn much, or that I've barely worn at all actually, if you're interested. So listen, with that, I'm super happy with this unboxing with you. Once again, you have a discount promo code, a PROZIS promo code, which is Carofidis, and it's valid all year round on the entire website. It can also be combined with special offers that are currently running. You just need to read the fine print carefully, you know, the really tiny text. They're valid, but sometimes not. Anyway, in general, I always share all my little tips with you on my Instagram account, La Planète de Caro, or Will de Caro. Feel free to join me on my social media as well. I'll put everything in the video description anyway, so you can find it all. I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna go eat. Honestly, I almost want to go eat just like this. That's it. Alright, honey, let's go eat some chicken. So what now? I'll let you go check out the website. I'll let you go spend all your money. Above all, share your personal experiences with me, whether it's about food, supplements, or the clothes being offered. On that note, I'll leave you because my battery is almost dead. On top of that, my camera has already overheated. I've already had to turn it off twice so it could cool down. So, I'll say goodbye, see you next time, and above all, take care of yourselves. Kisses. Bye bye.